Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your mode on your ASKfm account, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on this home button down below that you can find on the left side corner of the screen down below. Tap on the profile icon to go to your profile by tapping on this button on the left side corner at the top. Here you can find your profile. All you have to do is tapping on your profile picture on the left side and click on set my mood, which is the first option. So here you can set how you feel, as you can see at the top. It is written, and here you can select from a bunch of emojis that you can use. So tap on the relevant one. Here you can see that these are the premium moods, and down below you can find the ones that you can use even if you don't have the premium package. So it will appear next to your username as you can see it here displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.